This is International LT 2019. If you have a problem that the handle, when you pull the handle from the driver's side, the handle is not opening the door. So in most case scenarios, you have a problem with this cable. So that cable pulls the lock inside, and the cable is a new cable. You have that metal hook is off on brakes, and that's what's going on. So here's our new cable and the old cable. You put it back with using the reverse sequence. So push this. Now we need that, so let's be very careful. Let's first put this thing on, put this thing in, and then we'll connect everything together.